Alright, welcome to the stream, folks. It's been a while, but yeah, I've had a few things happen and I couldn't use my PC for a while, so that was quite frustrating. But we are back, thank God, and here's my little disclaimer. So again, got to remind everyone, this isn't financial advice, so don't be dumb and just copy what I do. Now, a lot has happened. Gold and silver has obviously picked up again as of Friday, a few days ago. And if you have a look in the top left corner, you will see that we're in week 4, and if you've ever noticed, the word week 4 in this case is normally red, we were going backwards. We weren't really making any money. As you can see now, it is green. As you can see, cash and profit has gone up. So yeah, if you look at those two, we are now starting to move forward. So it's taken a month to recover, which is kind of makes it a bit hard. We're already halfway, and we're still sitting at the bottom, and we're going to get to 100k. So I'm confident I can still get there. We're heading into March in a week's time. March is where I see a lot of gains happening, if if not earlier. But yeah, this is where we are at. So what's the history? I was just playing around earlier, closed a couple of trades. Okay, we're still short on margin. We don't have as much margin as I would like to have, which is frustrating. Now, here's what I'm thinking. We've had a good run, but I'm thinking, we're in a bullish market right now. I'm thinking we sell both of those, take the profit. That way we'll be ahead. We'll be still at 3,000, which means we'll have an extra I'm not sure how much extra margin it will have, but I think I want to be able to get more than just 5 units of gold and 20 units of silver. I wish there was someone online that I could talk to, throw some ideas back and forth. But there isn't, so I got to make up my mind on what to do. I'm just going to quickly. Yeah, that's working. Good. Just have to check my stream, make sure I'm not talking to myself here. Alright, first things the first though, we are going to do some fishing. Nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? What's going on? Okay. seems my phishing game isn't working. Well, let's just close that. And I'll fix that later. Yeah, so as I said, lots has happened. One of the things that happened is it was really odd, and you guys might want to keep an eye on that as well, especially if you use Chat GPT. I've had someone try and hack into my computer through Chat GPT. I don't know how, but I traced it back, and luckily I've been working with computers for 30 years, so trying to pull one over me, good luck. But I did notice everything just sort of logged out. I was doing stuff at the time. I thought that was a bit strange, so I had a quick look to see what was going on, and I noticed my PC was infected, and couldn't remove it. And they had a little Trojan in there to basically, every time I removed the virus, it would automatically put it back in. So I pulled the plug from the network and basically went on a hunt and removed everything, all the infected files that was managed to put on my PC. I removed, and we're all good now. That's the first time actually in 30 years that someone's tried to get in, so I'm doing pretty good. Shitty thing is though, and the reason I haven't been streaming is the malware that I put in there basically logs you out of every single thing on your computer. The reason they do that is because they want to I just realized why the fish didn't work. I'm going to turn that back on. Sorry. The reason they do that is because they basically make you type all your details back in, so username, password, and basically got a keystroke logger there watching everything you do. So when you type all that back in, they get all that information, and then they can hack into every single thing that you have logged into. So yes, there we go. Didn't write fish properly. I had it right the wrong way around. So yes, that was annoying. Even now, I mean, last night I was going to do some streaming, but Jesus, I just couldn't. Everything was just not connected, and had to reconnect everything, and oh my god, what a pain in the ass. So yeah, that's what happened to me. But as I said, luckily I know what I'm doing. I feel sorry for the people that aren't clued in when it comes to things like that, and they lose all their money or something. Alright, so what's the verdict here? Am I selling? Am I going to sell it? Take the 1,000 that we have, because it's going to keep going up. Take the 1,000 we have and buy back in. I'm thinking we do sell it. I mean, I would rather keep it because I've got strong positions now where, yes, it's going to pull back, but it's not. I mean, look at gold. There's no way it's going to pull back all the way back to. Actually, we haven't done our. Hang on a second. I just realized something. That's not what I want. T, where's the T wave? Right, there we go. Just have a look at my charts. Go back to here. And there we go, back in business. That's the one that's full flashy. Alright folks, what are we doing? I'm going to take it. 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 Will I take it? Am I going to take it? Let's have a look. We might as well. And that way we can get stronger positions in. Or do we keep them? This is hard, but I can't really buy more. Even if I wait. You know what? Let's do it. Let's take it. We're taking it. Let's have a look. I reckon we take it. Yes. So that's 1800. Then give me, let's have a look at this one. 20 of those. Yeah? 20. No, not 20. We want 50. 50. There we go. So that's 18. What is that? That is 2500. So that's 2500 in margins if I buy back in, which leaves us 500 margin left. Oh dear. Alright folks, we're on 3,000 profit, right? I mean cash. So it's taken us 4 weeks to get 1,000, which isn't great, but it's still good. Given that the markets were so volatile, last few weeks, and it's taken that long to recover. I really should have just waited. I should have waited until this week or last week to start trading. But it is what it is. Not much I can do here. Let's see. 4 days ago. 180. Entry price. We're up to 5,100 already. That's pretty good. Silver, 70. Entry price is 76. We're only at 86. This is all I updated. Alright, let's have a look at today's strategy section. on the next run up, I'm gonna buy something, I guess. There isn't much happening here. Just gonna check the news. Oh, is that it? Far out. Missed the important stuff. Alright, as you can see, I've been playing around the charts, putting indicators in. So we've got another high here. That's good. Another one there. Very good. Now let's get clear all indicators, all the draw tools, everything. Okay, so got to put one there. Come on. Yeah, so annoying. Showing up. Yeah, fuck it, I'll just put it in myself. Okay, now switching to the 5-minute chart, and let's put a so we're looking at about there, and there. That's our 5-minute chart. I'm just marking the highs and lows for this morning. Okay. I mean, this could be a pullback here, but then again, I don't think it is. Same with here, it looks like a small pullback, but I don't think it is. Right, we're switching back to 1 hour. Bit hard to tell here what's going on because it took a sharp turn up. Oh, that's a tough one. Let's have a look. Anything new pop up here? No. So, what are these ones? What do these charts say? They drop down just strong. They're like 1 hour and 30 minutes, and this one's 1 hour 30 and 15 for silver. I'm just trying to work out, should I buy in now? Or is it going to drop some more? I mean, looking at all the different charts and whatnot. It could still drop a little, the gold. What was that? So holy Still 1 minute though, Jesus. Oh dear. Where's the chat? I don't know what's going on there. Alright, folks. So gold can still drop a little bit. Where's... Oh, yeah, right, gotcha. I want to buy it back in, but I want to try and get the lowest price. I don't think I will, though. It's actually, it's not 74. Hang on a minute. It's all up. Oh, actually, maybe I should buy back in here. I mean, numbers. Where's my other one? Normally, what's that? Shoot. What? No. Alright, I'm gonna be back in a second, folks. I just want to go grab my lunchbox. Yum. Alright, let's have a look. Question is, do we buy back in now? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just drawing lines, I think, for the hell of it. I mean, essentially, this could just. I don't know. It is a bullish market still. Yeah. 5 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour are all bullish for the gold. Same for the silver. Do we buy now is the question. I think most people would say no. I mean, they're both kind of just bouncing along. Damn, this is a big sandwich. I think next 4 weeks we're definitely going to see some major gains. What's the time? When's the next market open? 11, I think. I think it's 12 o'clock, right? Japan opens 12 o'clock. Or 11. Hang on. No, it was 10. Why was I thinking 11 or 12? Oh, it's a bank holiday today in Japan. How the hell did I miss that? Oh, what's going on there? Just gonna go back up here. I feel like this is where it could be turning around again. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's still pushing down. That's supposed to say be right back. Gotta take a quick bathroom break. This is probably the best time to do it. Alright, I'm back. Alright, next lot of markets will open at 5 o'clock. Alright, easy. We'll be back by then. Alright, where are we at? Yeah, it is dropping down. I'm expecting it to bounce back from here. Alright, I've got no signals yet. All right. All right, so it seems to be. That's what I hate when it starts bouncing around. Just not going anywhere. Very frustrating. Alright, so it's bounced, and let's see what it does on the third bounce. Oh, whether it just keeps dropping. Got silver. Silver's sort of kind of a bounce, and then yeah, we could see it hit here. Should wait. I should actually go on a sell. It's too late. Should have done that earlier. Alright, we're gonna jump back in on the up. Oh man. There go again, yawning. Alright, so we had red, green. Hang on, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That would have to be higher than that. So if, no, that's already, no. Let's have a look at the hourly. Where's that? Oh, they're the two low points of where it crashed to last time. All right. Yeah, it's definitely dropped. Still on a down. It's got to bounce off this, right? That's what it's looking like. We'll see how we go, folks. All right. For, let's say, 10 more minutes, 5 more minutes, and I'll stop the stream. I gotta head out and do some work, but I will be back this afternoon. I won't be streaming this. We will be back tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning at it's at 10 o'clock, I think. Yeah, we'll do a 10 o'clock session again. Yeah, Australian time zone's pretty boring. Not much happening. We'll see what happens in the rest of the market. Opens up. Japan's on a holiday, so yeah. Well, it's a bank holiday. I don't know how much that's going to affect everything, but we'll see how we go. What about 15 minutes? And when it does that. Oh shit, okay. On a 15-minute, it's saying it's actually on a down. I'm not quite confirmed yet. About 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minute hasn't triggered the bearish yet. Let's wait a little longer. See how we go. So yeah, should never trade in the first hour of opening. Most people start trading from the second after the first hour, but a lot of people also sort of wait 2 hours before the market, 2 hours after the market opens before they start trading, because they try and skip all the bullshit that happens. Uh, 51%, 57%, 5%. That's not going anywhere except down. Ugh. I think I see a strong downwards movement here. I mean, it's not a bearish market, but it's just gonna pull back a little bit, which makes sense. keeps bouncing off that breakfast breakout line. 1, 2, waiting for the third one. That one's broken through, but yeah, wait a few more minutes. Let's do some fishing while we wait. Let's see what we can catch. Some carp. Nothing special. All right. I think I'll stop it here. You've gotten your update this morning. We are in the green finally, and I have decided to sell my positions just to get that extra margin in there that I can use for the bigger buys. So we're looking at buying 5 units of gold, 50 units of silver, leaving us with about $500 in margins. So I'm starting to see a signal here forming for the gold. So look at 15-minute. Still in the sell. About 30 minutes. Well, kind of looks like on the sell as well. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm getting out of frame there. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed the update. I will see you tomorrow now that I'm back online. And yeah, we'll see how what we're looking like tomorrow. I don't know how much it's going to move today, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you next week. I mean, tomorrow.